If lawmakers were expecting a rally after the debt deal was done, they got another thing coming. Stocks plunging today, sending the S&P 500 to its lowest level since December the 20th. Stocks are now down for 7 consecutive trading sessions. Meanwhile, gold, a traditional safe haven, hitting another record high today, and the Swiss franc gaining against the dollar. Deborah Kostroun has all the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. And the market's really kind of left in shambles here today. As Pimm was mentioning, the S&P down now for 7 days in a row. The deal on raising the debt ceiling is done did not give the markets a shot in the arm. Instead, stocks falling even more after the debt limit deal was passed. Instead, investors are more worried about the state of the economy. And we have been getting these pretty dismal economic reports over the past few weeks. And today we got another one, that unexpected drop in consumer spending. And of course, consumer spending accounts for about 70% of our economy. So this is a good indication that the lack of jobs that we have in this country is really having an impact on consumers and definitely on that spending, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, with all the selling that hit some of the major milestones today, give us the details.
Well, the Dow closing below its 200-day moving average, Pimm, for the very first time since September of 2010. Not only that, the Dow is down now 8 days in a row, and over that time period, the Dow has lost over 850 points. Now, another thing that a lot of traders were looking at, the S&P now lower for the year, for year to date. However, the Dow still up, along with the NASDAQ, still up year to date. And we did see losses across the board in all kinds of areas, like the industrials, United Technologies, FedEx, and other cyclical stocks were lower. Of course, those mostly tied closely to the economy. And also, probably not too much of a surprise that consumer-related stocks down as well. That not much of a surprise given that report on consumer spending. That's it from here, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.